Welcome to Solidum Lawyers. Today we are going to talk about a fundamental right, as powerful as it is complex, freedom of expression in the digital age. How far does it go? Where is the line between opinion and illegality? Stay with us because this topic affects us all. Let's get started. We live in an hyperconnected world. Today, anyone with a cell phone and an internet connection can have a voice in public debate. From Twitter, or X if you prefer, to TikTok, opinions are no longer restricted to traditional media but flow freely through social networks. But does that mean we can say anything without consequences? The answer is no. Freedom of expression is not absolute. It has limits and responsibilities. In this video, we'll answer three big questions. What are the legal limits of freedom of expression on the internet? Is it legal for social media platforms to censor content? What are the risks of criminalizing certain expressions? Let's start with the first question. Here's a key idea. Freedom of expression is a right, but not a shield for impunity. Under Ecuadorian and international legal frameworks, some expressions are protected, others are regulated, and some are absolutely prohibited. Let's look at some samples. Protected: opinions, political criticisms, satire, public interest, information. Regulated: hate speech, misinformation, incitement to hatred. Prohibited: threats, defamation, incitement to violence, or advocacy of crimes. For example, if you insult a public official on social media, you might be protected by freedom of expression. But if you spread false information with the intent to damage their reputation, that falls into defamation, which has legal consequences. So where is the balance between the right to expression oneself and responsibility? Let's move on to the next question. You probably heard cases like, I got blocked on Twitter for saying what I think, or Facebook deleted my post for no reason. But is this censorship or private regulation? Here's an important fact. Social media platforms are not state entities but private companies, and as such, they can set their own rules. When we create an account, we agree to their terms and conditions. But the problem is that these rules are ambiguous and vary by region. Who regulates the platforms when they suppress legitimate voices? In countries like Ecuador, there is no clear legislation on private censorship in social media, leaving us in a legal gray area. What we do know is that governments and big tech companies are in a constant battle over the control of digital information. Should there be stricter regulations to protect freedom of expression on social media? That's an open question. In some countries, there are laws against defamation, hate speech, and even misinformation. But when these laws are not well defined, they can be used as tools to silence uncomfortable voices. Examples: in some countries, journalists have been jailed for defamation after publishing corruption investigations. Citizens have been prosecuted for insults after exposing unethical business practices. Is this justice or disguised censorship? The challenge is to find a balance, protecting people from real attacks without criminalizing public debate. Freedom of expression in the digital age is a legal and ethical battlefield. We have more voice than ever before, but also more responsibility. Words have power, and what we say online has legal consequences. Social media platforms have too much control over what we can post. Laws must protect free expression without becoming tools of repression. Now, we want to hear your opinion. Do you think there is too much censorship on the internet? How can we balance freedom of expression with responsibility? Leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel for more legal analysis on constitutional law and technology. If you like this video, Give it a like and share it so more people can learn about their rights in a digital age. See you in the next video. Goodbye.